How to use Google Translate on WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is download and install the Google Translate app on your device. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store and search for Google Translate. Then have this application installed on your device by tapping on the install button. After it has been installed, tap on open. Here you want to tap on your profile icon. Then from here, select settings. On your settings, select the option of Tap to Translate. Now you want to make sure Use Tap to Translate option is toggled on in this way. Tap on Allow. You can also toggle on the option of Show Floating Icon. Tap on Manage Permissions. And then toggle on Translate from your settings. Now once you have managed these settings, you want to launch open WhatsApp. Now just open up any chat you want. Here as you can see, I have a message in a different language. So if you want to translate this, all you want to do is tap on this floating icon of Google Translate. And as you can see, the message has been auto-detected and it has been translated into English as well over here. If it hasn't been auto-detected, you can also simply copy the message and open this icon, and then you can paste it over here simply and then translate it as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.